Welcome to Sonat. This video will teach you how to use the readability feature. You can get an overall idea about your readability level by looking at the tiny bullets above the editor. The right item is the readability icon. It could appear in red, unacceptable, yellow, needs improvement, or green, quite good. To check the readability scores and metrics in detail, click the three dots next to the Publish button on the top right. Click Readability. Click Errors, Improvements, and Good Results to see each metric score and advice regarding improvement. As you open this panel, the readability icons of all topics appear next to each title on the document outline. Another way to check your content score is by clicking the Options menu next to the Publish button. Then click Metrics. You will be led to the Metrics Analytics page, which includes both SEO and readability metrics in detail. Click back to return to the content editor. Besides the topic readability, you can check your overall performance on a document. To do so, go to your home page and see a general idea about your document's readability level by looking at the tiny bullets in the document list. The bullet on the right is the readability icon. It could appear in red, yellow, or green, which means your document's readability is low, needs improvements, or is quite good. To check the details, click the readability bullet. Here, by clicking each item, you can check which topics affect your readability score. That was all for this video. Thanks for watching.